Hey folks, we all must be well aware of this fact that with the introduction of AI and ChatGPT, how it has helped each one of us to increase our productivity and transform possibilities into reality. Well, considering this fact, SmartReach has come up with a cool new feature where users can now create tailor-made content on the basis of their preferences with the help of AI. Well, my name is Ashutosh, and in this video I will be taking you through how you can create content on the basis of your preferences with the help of AI. So without a further ado, let's jump right in. Let us get started by creating a campaign first. So you can click here and give a campaign name and click on create. Now moving forward, the first step is itself where you can add a content. Currently we only support content AI on the email channel, but soon we are coming up, we will be adding it on channels like LinkedIn, SMS and WhatsApp. So let's add our first step and add our content. When you are on the content step, here itself you can select this option to write with AI. Click this and click on generate with prompt. Now this is the most important section where you give commands to the AI to generate a tailor-made content for you. So the first space is where you add what you want to convey in the email. Here let's take a quick example where I want to pitch a sales engagement platform that allows users to automate their sales on channels like cold email, LinkedIn outreach, WhatsApp calls and SMS. Right? The second space is where I get to choose my audience, so you can select audiences on the basis of their position. So let's select like a head of a department. With the department you can select various departments that users operate. So for this let's select like sales, head of sales, and we can also choose an industry. So let's select healthcare industry. The third step is where you get to give the commands on what type of content you want it to be. You get to choose that what type of email this should be. So let's keep it an introductory email. You can also give a writing style. How do you want it to be? Let's keep it personalized, and let's keep the email structure as a problem solution based email structure. Now with the merge tags to use, you can select the merge tags that you want the AI to use to personalize your email. You can use as many merge tags as you may like. Let's choose a couple of merge tags, and you can even set the maximum number of words for the email to be. And finally the tone of the voice, we can keep it professional, friendly, excitement. Let's keep it excitement. As soon as you gave all your prompts and commands, you can click on generate content here. As soon as you click on generate content, it will load and the new versions will be available. As you can see now, the AI has created a content for you, and here you can add additional commands, like if you want to highlight, let's say for this case, highlight the points. And as soon as you gave a command, you can again click on generate a content. It will load, and yeah, as you have added the command, the AI has understood it and it has given highlighted those pain points. You can keep on adding additional commands as you may like. If you'd like to manually edit something, you can edit that. If you would want a complete different content from this, you can click on regenerate and it will create multiple versions that you can find it here. After all of this, if you would like to further use our AI tools as well, here you can choose to rephrase or shorten the length of the content by selecting a section. Now this section is where you get to generate a subject line. You can click here to generate a subject line. You can again you need to give some prompts like how do you want the subject line to be. Let's kind of give a few prompts here, and you can even add words that you want to avoid. Then click on generate subject line. Yeah, so it has given you a customized subject line on the basis of the content. After this is done, you can simply go ahead and copy this text. Once the email body is copied, you can go back to your draft, paste this and create this as a step, and your content is ready. After the content has been created, you can also use the AI to reply back to your emails. So let's say I have got a reply in my inbox. I can choose to reply this, and there's this option called generate reply with AI. Now as soon as I click this, the AI will read the context of the reply from the prospect, and it will again create a response on the basis of that. So as you can see, the content has been created. If you would want to change anything, you can manually edit this content and simply send this to the prospect. So that was all about creating content using AI on SmartReach. Let us know on support@smartreach.io what are your views about it. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.